Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from both your Share Wallet and Power Wallet on Infintri. Step 1. Go to www.infintri.com and sign in to your account using your registered credentials. Step 2. At the top of the page, click on the Withdrawal tab. You'll see two options, Share Wallet and Power Wallet. Let's start with the Share Wallet. Step 3. Click on Share Wallet. You'll be redirected to a page where you can view your available wallet balance. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then enter your hash address and your Infintri account password, and click Continue. Step 5. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the code and click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from your Share Wallet. Now let's see how to withdraw from your Power Wallet. Step 6. Go back to the Withdrawal tab and select Power Wallet. Step 7. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then enter your hash address and your Infintri account password. Click Continue. Step 8. Once again, enter the verification code sent to your registered email and click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from your Power Wallet as well.